Hello and welcome to another video about using Navigator to work with LiveCode. Today we're going to talk about the card menu in Navigator. That's this menu right here. Ordinarily, the default behavior for Navigator is to display the controls on the current card of the top stack. So for example, right now, Navigator is displaying the controls on card 1, which is this card right here. If I switch to card 2, Navigator automatically changes to display the controls in card 2. That doesn't have to be the case. You can use the card menu to select a different card from the current stack, and then Navigator will display the controls from, in this case, card two, even if I'm on card number 1. If I can switch to another card, Navigator's display doesn't change. Here I'm on card 2. I can switch to the third card, still doesn't change, and back to the first card. The card menu has one other trick up its sleeve. If I hold down the Option key while I open the card menu, instead of displaying the cards in the current stack, Navigator displays a list of the top-level groups within the stack. So these groups don't necessarily have to have their background behavior set to true. I can select one of these groups, and then Navigator will display the controls within that group. Note that this group contains a subgroup, Group ID 1015, and that group does not display in the menu for the backgrounds because it is not a top-level background and top-level group and cannot be a background. In addition to those options, Navigator can display a list of all the backgrounds in the current stack, and without the Option key, it can display a list of all the cards in the current stack. We'll get into why that's useful in another video. For now, thanks for watching.